Secretary John Vic Remulla of Department of the Interior and Local Government or yung tinatawag nating DILG. Sila din ang naghahawak or humahawak ng Early Childhood Development. Tingnan nyo to.
Bakit po napunta kayo sa pag-aalaga ng mga bata? Hindi po bang inaalagaan nyo mga pulis at saka mga bumbero? Bakit po pati bata ang inaalagaan nyo na? Ang alam ko po itong ECCD, Sir President, sa DepEd po ito. Ano po ba itong ECCD, Mr. President?
It's Early Childhood Care Development Council, Your Honor, Mr. President.
Early Childhood
Care Development.
Care Development. Hindi po ba sa DSW dito, Mr. President? Sa inyo na po ba ito? Bakit po napunta kayo sa pag-aalaga ng mga bata? Hindi po bang inaalagaan nyo mga pulis at saka mga bumbero? Bakit po pati bata ang inaalagaan nyo na? Baka po kayo
Your Honor, Mr. President, tama po kayo. Dati po ay that was before under DSWD. But since most of the daycare centers are in the LGUs, barangay halls, no, may mga sa barangay halls, so it was transferred to the DILG supervision, Mr. President.
So DILG promotes peace and order. Yun yung primary goal nila na to ensure public safety, right? Paano sila naging connected sa pagpapalaki ng bata? Right? Tapos, sabi pa nila, based on Republic Act something, DepEd and DILG are connected or parang sister brotherhood in terms of handling early childhood development. Paano naging connected ang DILG doon sa ensure safety and promotes peace and order? May kakayanan ba yung mga bata na tawag ito na mag-grab ng bank, magdroga at early as let's say around 6 months old, 1 year, 2-year-old? Come on. Ako ba hindi nakakaintindi dito or something is really wrong sa Republic Act na to? Medyo ewan ko na lang. But anyway, let me guys what you guys think. Para at least man lang maliwanagan ako. I don't know kung ako ba yung hindi nakakaintindi or ginugulo ko lang ba or something really wrong with this Republic Act na ginawa or something wrong na mali yung binigay ito sa DILG. I really don't know and I don't even understand. But if you guys think whatever that you guys understand, let me know. So for now, cheers. Bye.